Hello, welcome back to In the Kitchen with Pen. Now, did you see my last video where I had my Temu haul and I got a toasted sandwich maker that you pop in the microwave? Well, today I'm going to be using it, and what I've done is I've buttered both sides of this bread and popped it into the tray, and I've done the same with this one. Both slices are buttered, both sides are buttered, and then I've got cheese and onion on top. And now I'm just going to put the sandwich together and squeeze down and secure it like so, and then I'm going to pop it into the microwave for 2.5 minutes each side. So let's get you moved and you can see. Right, so I'm just going to pop it into the oven, microwave oven, just in the middle like so, and we'll go for 2.5 minutes. Press start, and then once that's done, I'll turn it over and do in 2.5 minutes the other side. Well, it's had its first 2.5 minutes. I turned it over and we've got about 20 seconds left. And let me tell you, it's certainly smelling like a toasted cheese sandwich. It's quicker than getting out the toastie maker. It probably cooks quicker than the air fryer, and I do like an air fryer toastie, so we'll see how this compares. Here we go, let's take it out. Cloth, because it's going to be quite warm. Right, it's out. You can see, I hope, that it is steaming. Let's take the top off, and these can go, must be washed after each use, and they come apart really easily, just like that, and they can go in the dishwasher or be hand washed, so that's jolly good, isn't it? Now let's do what everybody does. That sounds quite crusty, doesn't it? Crusty, crisp. Crusty just doesn't sound right. So get it onto, oh yes, onto the chopping board, and look, that's more like the noise, isn't it? Right, I'm going to cut it into 4. And isn't it funny how different people cut their sandwiches in different ways? I just think, I don't know why I do in triangles, perhaps it's because it looks a bit nicer than just squares. So, well, I have to say that is actually looking like a good toasted sandwich, or grilled cheese as you would call it stateside. So, toasted sandwich made in a microwave oven. Am I having a laugh? Sorry, just put nose in soak. We shall taste and see. So it's going to be jolly hot. Now this is just cheddar and onion, so not going to get a terrific cheese pull from cheddar, but I don't want a cheese pull, I want taste. So here we go. That is perfect. Absolutely perfect. You can put what you like in your cheese toastie. Don't even put cheese if you don't want. But as a sandwich maker, a toastie maker that goes in the microwave, and that was less than £10 from Temu. Said to my daughter about it at the weekend, and she said, I paid £25 for mine. Well, more fool you. Go to Temu, guys. Right, there you go. You can see the cheese has melted perfectly. A few weeks back I did do toasted cheese sandwiches in the sandwich maker, and it seemed to take forever. Maybe it's because it's on the way out, I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm used to doing them in the air fryer and they're much quicker. It seemed to take an age, and they were really greasy, because obviously you do, again, you butter both sides of your bread, but it was really greasy and not quite to my taste. This, definitely to my taste. So, does the Temu Microwave Sandwich Maker, Toastie Maker, get a thumbs up from me? Not one, but 2 thumbs up at less than a tenner. So thank you for watching this edition of In the Kitchen with Pen. Hope you've enjoyed it. I shall be back very soon with some more cooking. See you then. Bye.